Hi everyone, Rishi here. As you can see, we got a large delivery here. It's mostly new products, perfusion system items, and some medical items as well. Since we did have like 4 cases and multiple training sessions over the year 2023, we ran through a lot of product because most of them are one-time use. You kind of have to throw them away since they are sterile and can't be re-sterilized. So here we have a lot of new products. Let's go through them. So what we have here is a blood reservoir, a heat exchanger, and a blood oxygenator mixed together. This is the most important part of the perfusion system because this is where the entry of the cryoprotective agent happens. So the cryoprotective agent flows into the top of the blood reservoir here, fills up the blood reservoir, and that's where the perfusion system or the circuit starts. Down here we have the heat exchange system. It's also pretty important since later in the perfusions during higher concentration, when you want to really cool down further than minus 20 degrees, we can use the heat exchange system. All right, one more interesting item. So here we have a static bubble trap. As the name suggests, it traps bubbles. And during perfusion, it's super important to have no air bubbles in the perfusion system, because once you perfuse the body with bubbles, it just causes a gas embolism and ruins the whole perfusion procedure. So the static bubble traps we just received are brand new. So it's a new model. We haven't tested them yet. So first we're going to do some dummy trainings, cadaver trainings to see if it's actually useful and safe to use, and then implement into our protocol. So we have a lot of items to go through, sort and organize, but if you are interested, leave a comment down below to see more of the perfusion system.